Do you want to know how you can log into your Birla Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Birla Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Go to the Google search bar to search for Birla Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Aditya Birla Mutual Fund's account. Now you can see this is the official page. To log into it, go ahead and click login, which is on the right hand side. It will take you to the official login portal of Birla Funds or Aditya Birla Capital Mutual Funds. Go ahead and write down your user ID in this box and then write down your password. After you write down your user ID and password, go ahead and click login. This way you can successfully log into your Aditya Birla Capital Mutual Funds account. You can hide or unhide the password anytime by clicking on this icon, and if you want to use OTP, go ahead and click OTP after you write down your user ID and you click use OTP. Or OTP code will be sent to your email address, and then you can use OTP to log into your Birla Mutual Funds as well. If in case you have forgotten your ID or password, these are the two links you want to go through. I hope this video about how you can log into your Aditya Birla Mutual Funds account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.